now, basically, I've gone through and taken the hair as short as this comb will allow me to. So now, what I want to do is go to a finer tooth comb. Oftentimes these are referred to as barbering combs, because I want to be able to get the hairline a lot shorter. This is, when I put this comb here and cut, that's as short as I can get it. So I've got to get this finer tooth comb where I can get the hair shape a little bit, the hairline a little bit tighter. Now, I, in this particular example, wanted to show step by step how to scissor over combing using these panels, one comb at a time. Typically, if I was in a salon atmosphere, or pretty much in any atmosphere where I'm cutting somebody's hair, I'm usually holding two combs at the same time. Usually a smaller tooth comb and the larger tooth comb. And I'm holding one comb down here, okay, just like that, and I'm holding this comb here. The reason I do that is, I just want to share this. I didn't do it in this occasion because I wanted to show you one comb at a time, but the reason I do that is I'd actually do this whole panel completely. So let's say that I cut this panel, but now I need to cut this hairline. Then I have both combs in my hand and I can kind of just switch them out. So in this particular case, I can address the hairline here by using the smaller tooth comb. Okay, and getting all this hair off. And then if I have to go back to address something there, I just switch them out. And that's very easily can kind of switch my combs. And it saves me time than having to go back and forth and back and forth. And so I'll usually hold two combs. Sometimes I may even hold three combs if I want one that's kind of a in between. So this is a thicker tooth comb, kind of a medium, and a fine tooth comb. So in some cases I'll hold two combs if I'm working multiple shapes. It's just very similar if you're thinking about using clippers. You put on guards, you put on different types of guards to take the hair down little by little. You got the bigger guard, the medium guard, the small guard, same kind of concept. I'm just holding them in my hand. It saves me time to not have to put them back at my station. And I just hold them right here while using whichever comb that I'm using in these, my finger and my pointing, or my thumb and my pointing finger and the middle finger. So I'm going to do the rest of this holding these two combs just so you can kind of see how I do it throughout the haircut. So in a normal scenario, I'm typically holding more than one comb at a time.